welcome to another exploratory analysis where we analyze Superstore in the US and we use multiple graphs to make valuable insights into this Superstore. So you can see it's a standard CSV file which we can open using the read CSV, and we see that each order has a ship mode, segment, country, city, state, region, category, subcategory, sales, discount and profit. So we can see roughly uh, profit, sales, category and subcategory and region are the most important of the attributes of an order. Let's check for any NaN and duplicate values, that is using this code. Okay, so you can see that there are nearly 20, 23 duplicate values which we clean off. And as a good data scientist, let's talk about some questions, obviously. So what are the sales by state and which state has the highest sales? What's the most and least bought items by state? Which type of shipping mode is the most popular among consumers, and what are the most popular categories? So let's just see what are the unique categories. We see furniture, office supplies, technology are the big categories, and the subcategories under furniture, office supplies and technology are these. So let us check which one is the most popular, that is the highest ordered category. So we see that office supplies has the highest order across all these categories. Let's also take the number of orders across each state to understand which is the most highest ordering state. So we see that California, followed by New York, Texas, Pennsylvania, Washington are the top 5 states that order the most from this example Superstore. California considerably higher. So now that we talk about orders, let's talk about the profit and the sales. So using a standard group by and then aggregating the profit and the sales column, we calculate the total profit and the total sales by each state, and the negative profit indicates a loss. So we see Texas, Pennsylvania and Illinois actually having some really big losses. Let's plot this. So yeah, we can see that California and New York produce a very small part of their sales as profit, and Texas and Pennsylvania and Ohio are a high loss inducing venture or places states. So we could also see we could see the subcategories, the number of orders by the subcategories across all the orders, and we see that binders and paper followed by furnishings are the most popular subcategory that is ordered across all the states. Let's also check the number of the sales of each, so the sales across these subcategories, and we realize that of the total sales that this company earns, that this firm earns or the store earns, chairs, phones and binders are the most are the highest has the highest share of the sales. So we see that chairs, phones and binders bring in the lot of the sales in the subcategories. We can also see it in a horizontal. This one is a bit skewed, so never mind that. But we can see this, that the profit by subcategory is highest for copiers, is also very high for phones, and is also high for binders and accessories. So we see that even if the sales are low, the profits are really high. To understand that basic demographic, let's check which segment is the highest profit. So consumers are the highest profit. So naturally we need to check out what are the shipping modes that are preferred by them, so that we could charge those particular shipping modes as a bit higher. So we see standard class is obviously the highest and the same day is the lowest. So we see that we should give them incentives for ordering in the same day, or we should charge a bit higher on the standard class shipping segment. Now this this is a small function that I've written that checks us for these states across each category and across each subcategory what is the profit earned. So we see that California produces a net high profit, so does Washington, so does Mississippi, Arizona, Texas, and Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and Tennessee. These are high loss producing states, and we see the bookcases, appliances, supplies, bookcases, tables, binders, and machines and tables are also high high loss producing commodity. So we could figure out what exactly is going wrong there. And using Plotly, we can plot the total statewide sales across the US using a basic choropleth function. And we can see this that California produces the high sales, and the lighter we go, the sales is reduced. So we can see Alaska is roughly not is not included in this. But yeah, Central America, Central Western America have very low sales. So that's about it. Thank you.